In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use IBM App Connect Designer to create an event-driven flow that creates an Insightly lead when someone registers for an event in Eventbrite, and additionally subscribes the attendee to a MailChimp campaign list. First, we'll connect App Connect to Eventbrite with our email address and password. Next, we'll connect to Insightly. We'll need our Insightly API key for this. We can find it in the user settings. There we are. We'll copy the key and then paste it into App Connect. Now we'll connect to MailChimp using our email address and password. Okay, we're ready to start. So we're going to create a MailChimp list as we want to subscribe the new attendees. We'll log into MailChimp and create a list named App Connect Insightly Tutorial List. Next, we're going to create a flow in App Connect. From the dashboard, click New Event-Driven Flow. We need to give our flow a name. We'll call it Add Attendee to Insightly in MailChimp. We'll select Eventbrite New Attendee as the event that is to trigger the flow. Click the plus sign and then select Insightly Leads Create Lead as the action that App Connect should use to create a lead record in Insightly. We need to configure the Insightly fields by mapping their values to those from Eventbrite. First name, click within the field and click Insert a Reference. Then select first name from the references list. Last name, type last and then select last name from the list. Email address, type EM and then select email from the list. Lead description, type attendee at, then a space and click Insert a Reference. Then select Event ID from the list. Click the plus sign and then select MailChimp Members, Add Member to a List as the next action to be performed. We'll select the MailChimp list App Connect Insightly Tutorial list that we created earlier. This is the list that we want to add our subscribers to. We'll configure these MailChimp fields by mapping their values to those from Eventbrite. Email address, type EM and then select email from the list. First name, type FI and then select first name from the list. Last name, type LA and then select last name from the list. From the banner, open the operations menu, the three dots, and select Start Flow. Then click Dashboard, and there we are. We can see our flows displayed and running, listening for our event. To test our flow, we're initially going to assume the role of a marketing team member. So we'll log into Eventbrite and create a free private event named App Connect Tutorial Event. We'll make the event live so that people can register to attend. We'll go to the event dashboard and copy the event URL, which is shown at the bottom of the page. We need to remain logged in here. Now we're going to take the role of the event attendee. Using a different browser, we'll open the event URL. This is the URL we copied from the Eventbrite dashboard. We're going to register for the event by completing the mandatory fields. First name, Anne. Surname, Other. Email address, we're going to use our own email address, but you could use an alias if you prefer. Now we'll switch roles and go back to being the marketing team member. So we'll refresh the browser window and check that we can see the order details from our ticket buyer and Other in the event dashboard. There she is. Next, we'll act as a CRM team member and log into Insightly. And we can see that the lead exists for Anne Other. Now, if we log into MailChimp, we can see that Anne Other has been added as a subscriber to our list. That's excellent. We've created a flow that adds a lead to Insightly and a subscriber to our MailChimp list whenever someone registers to attend our company's event. Thanks for watching.